Hello, Negi soldiers. I hope you people are doing well. I'm Devendra Singh Negi, top mechanical educator, GATE and ESC category. My friends, I'm very happy to inform you I'm starting new course on Unacademy Plus, complete course on applications of thermodynamics. And in this course, I'm going to cover each and every topic of GATE mechanical and axis syllabus. Let us see the details of the course. Yes, I'm going to teach this course. GATE All India Rank 1, GATE All India Rank 1 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper. I completed my master's from IIT-BOMBAY. I was the topper of my batch and I'm teaching for GATE and ESC since 9+ years. From when the course is starting? 27th of April, Wednesday. The slot is 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and this is basically 100 hours course where I will be having the 50 lessons of 2 hours each, and in between you will be having 4 quizzes. Okay, let us see the chapters. In this entire course we will be having 7 chapters. Okay, yes, the chapter number 1, IC engine cycles. Then we will be talking about the Brayton cycle in entire detail, vapor power cycle, refrigeration, air conditioning, steam and gas turbines, and finally the last chapter will be air and gas compressors. So ये 7 chapters हैं जो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, आपको मजा आएगा। गेट 2022 में सारे क्वेश्चंस यहीं से आए थे रे बाबा, है ना। जो एप्लीकेशंस वाला पार्ट था जो मैंने पढ़ाया था, ये 7 चैप्टर्स यहीं से थे। सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस नेगी सोल्जर्स ने सॉल्व किए थे। उम्मीद करता हूं 2023 में भी सॉल्व करेंगे। Okay, now look at here. What will be the approach for the course? I will be starting from the basics and I will be taking it to the advanced level. After each and every concept, I'm going to give you the relevant conclusions and practical applications. Wherever it is possible, we are going to talk about the practical applications. Then yes, we'll be solving number of PYQs, and then yes, we are going to practice the new problems also, है ना। नए problems भी हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इस कोर्स में। इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चंस साथ साथ डिस्कस करते जाएंगे। You will be having number of doubt clearing sessions. In fact, every 4th session will be doubt clearing session. After every class, you will be getting the daily practice problems, and of course, as I told you, you are going to have the quizzes also. This is my detailed profile. Yes, I'm mechanical head Unacademy brand. I was the first rank 1 mechanical educator on Unacademy Plus. I'm teaching for GATE and ESC since 9+ years, and I have mentored more than 75,000 students in online, offline and seminar mode. तो बेटा एक ही बात आपको बोलूंगा, इस कोर्स में झमाझम मजा आने वाला है। कोर्स will be bilingual. You will not have any language problem. Yes, you are comfortable in English, you will be able to understand. आप हिंदी में अच्छा समझ पाते हैं, आप भी कंफर्टेबल रहने वाले हो। तो मिलते हैं 27 अप्रैल को 5:30 PM. See you live for the class. Thank you so much.